Alrighty, guys, welcome to the Stocked Up live stream. I appreciate you guys joining up today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, of course. Everybody, Tangy Man, Ali, Matt Danielson, thanks for joining up. Actually, I've seen you in here before, just a different name, I think. Appreciate you, though, man, of course, every day. Jamie, appreciate you, too. Guys, let's have a fantastic... What is today? Is today Wednesday? Oh, it's Thursday. Let's have a fantastic Thursday here today. Good old Tesla is actually falling off to the downside pretty hard here. Man, I am not happy with this. To be honest, to see this dip down to the downside in this way is not a good sign, especially with earnings season just now kicking off. So, man, I mean, I'm looking at Netflix here really falling off to the downside too. I mean, some of these stocks, the way they're falling this morning, are terrible with earnings. Now, I was actually watching The Spy. I was really hoping that we'd be getting a nice dip under 453.70, but we actually aren't right now, which is pretty insane. I thought that we would, but yeah, it's Thursday already, Tangy. That's what I'm saying. Xbox, I'm glad that you noticed. I hope that you like the mic better. Juicy says it sounds way better. Wow, well, hey, I'll take it. Yeah, it's I got the new Shure MV7 in, so I was setting it up last night all night long pretty much so that it would be ready for today. And then, of course, today there was still like 1,000 settings I still had to go over, but yeah, I'm glad it sounds better. I'm glad you guys like it. But yeah, the SPY here, we're sitting here right on this 453.70 support. If we do end up falling under here today, then I think that we'll actually have a big drop off to the downside. Hey, Tangy, I'm glad that you say that. Yeah, it sounded a lot better on my tests. I was still a little bit worried about it, honestly. I was sitting there and I was like doing recordings and stuff, and I was like, man, is it better? Is it not? I was like, I mean, it has to be better. I was just wondering, like, if it was, like, worth it better. I guess it is, though. He said low end's firm. That's good. Yeah, there's actually, like, all these settings I can change and stuff, too, but this is what I found to be the best one so far, so I'm glad you guys like it. Hopefully maybe I'll make, that'll be funny. Watch tonight's video. You guys will laugh because, you know, Mike's, maybe I'll sound better than Mike now. That'll be funny. But Boeing's actually popping up, guys. Look at this. It's actually getting a nice breakout here, up above the trend line, up to 210.70. I know we talked about this one yesterday, but today it's actually starting to get some movement back up. So that's good to see with Boeing. Glad to see that. Come on, Boeing. Keep going. That's actually a pretty good move for somebody like them. Good job, Boeing. Keep it up. That's a pretty good break so far today. Like it. We're back above 210. Not bad, Boeing. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. How dare you? Hate it whenever that happens with Boeing. There we go. All right, let's see what happens. I've been waiting for that trend line to break for a little while here with Boeing, so let's see. Maybe we'll actually get a good move today. Yesterday, I hit the stop loss on Boeing middle of the day, so it wasn't too bad. Stop loss was right around 15%. Not bad in a play like that, I'd say. Hopefully it makes up for it today, though. I love Boeing because it's actually going to be different than the overall market. You know, it's not going to be following stocks, per se. Are you still waiting for them to break 213? No, I'm actually not. I've just been waiting for them to break this trend line. Yesterday, I actually jumped the gun a little bit on this play. I ended up getting in on the live stream about like right here, and I had a stop loss set for like a $100 loss per like an $800 contract. So I just pretty much just got out like as it fell under that low of yesterday there, right around like 209.60, something like that. It was pretty good stop area though. It was very very minimal on the losses. We'll just say that. I think the potential gains were much, much higher than the losses there. And I think that's still the case here. You know, we finally got above the trend again, which is good. So glad to see that. Tangi's up 257% on wheat. Wheat, guys, that's awesome. I love wheat right now. I think that the wheat stocks could do a lot better here in the short term, actually. Especially with everything going on with Russia and everything like that. You know, there's going to be a lot of weird stuff going on as far as wheat prices go. You know, did you guys hear about that with Russia? It was actually pretty bad. Let's look it up. Russia, Red Sea, I think it is, right? Is it the Red Sea, or am I wrong here? Russia warns ships. Here we go. Or is it the Black Sea? It might be the Black Sea. I was probably wrong. It's probably the Black Sea. Yeah, the Black Sea. That's what it is. They would deem all ships traveling to Ukraine to be potentially carrying military cargo on behalf of Kyiv. And the flag countries of ships will be considered parties to the Ukrainian conflict. Wow. That actually sounds pretty bad, Russia. They shouldn't be saying that stuff like that. It's pretty rough. Pretty rough, actually. That's kind of scary to say. I think that'll be pretty good, though, for wheat. He says, but do you exit tomorrow's option now? Yeah. Let's see. He's in the $7 strike. Ooh. Ooh, that is a tough one, Tangi. That's tough. Yeah, Tangi, you know what? I think that wheat's actually at a good enough level right now, Tangi, that I would think that right now you might be able to take profits on this week and maybe roll it out to next week or even a couple weeks. Because, man, I would think that wheat might start to go up for a little while here, you would think. I know that these commodities sometimes, you know, if they start to go on a trend, sometimes they really will trend in a direction. So, he has shares. That's good. Shares. Oh, I see. Shares. As well. In that case, Tangi, it might not be a bad idea to hold it today, but I don't know. It's just, you're so close to the $7 strike. I guess what you could really do is you could use maybe like $6.98 or $6.95 like as a decent support on it. Because I know you're up on it, so maybe if it gets back down to there, you cut it. Maybe you'll still be up like 100% or something like that. And then hold your shares, because I really think that wheat could be pretty good here for the next couple weeks, couple months even maybe, with all this news with Russia. Yeah, he sold the option. I don't blame you, Tangi. I would have sold it too, especially with the expiration. But I like the play. Good play. Good play overall on it. Wheat. I like it. SLG, Xbox says, or SIG. Which one is it? Ooh, it's SLG. I've never heard of these guys. SL Green Realty Corp. What? Who is this? I don't even think that they were on our list. You know, nobody said a word about Taiwan Semiconductors this morning, though. Ooh. TSM under 100. TSM, not good. Don't want to see that happening with TSM. He has an $8 call. That's pretty good, Tangi. He kept the lotto ticket and got rid of the safer one. I like it. Hey, Chris likes the new microphone. There we go. Hell yeah, everybody loving it. Appreciate that, guys. Thanks for letting me know too. That way I can know that it's pretty good. Yeah, Mike might be getting this one too, so we might, you know, I was like the guinea pig, right? I'm like the guinea pig here. TSM, though, 99.50 to the upside. Let's see it. It's a pretty good move. It's coming back hard here, though. Wow, we might be in the green by the end of the day at this point, TSM. All right, got to check out on my EV stocks here. I know this one's not EV necessarily, but Plug is tanking off. That's usually a bad sign. Yeah, Lucid. Uh-oh. Sorry, Ali Turk. I didn't mean to turn to this one for you today. Poor Lucid. Rivian's not bad, but still in the red. Man, Lucid looks rough, though. Poor Lucid. They just can't get going now. Ever since that big drop last week, they're having some problems now. I'm hoping they can get back up there. Yeah, Ali, it was looking great yesterday. We were thinking like $8 maybe by today, or maybe this morning, a push for 8, but didn't happen. Yeah, it's all good. It's a long-term play, Ali. I think you'll be so happy with that in the long term. I'm praying anyways. Just bought a hood. What? You bought a hood? What do you mean? Did you buy Robinhood? What is that? Excuse me, guys. Hey, if you guys are liking the new mic and you guys enjoy the stream, smash that like button, please. I appreciate you. Really helps us out on YouTube. It helps push us a little bit more. Gets us more viewers and stuff like that. Yeah, 100K for a vehicle. Oh my God, Xbox. That must be like a crazy car if the hood costs 100 grand. That must be a fucking Bugatti, as Andrew Tate would say. Guy's funny. Okay, he got Robinhood. Okay. 100K of Robinhood, man. That's... Did you really, Ali? That sounds crazy. That's a lot of Robinhood, man. I hope Robinhood comes back for us. I hope I just misread that there. It's actually been recovering up really well lately, though. I mean, that's not bad for Robinhood, actually. Pretty decent moves lately. Little high in the short term, maybe, but... The issue I have with Robinhood is that I feel like that as time goes by, they're getting, like, less and less popular as a trading app, which is just... Maybe I'm wrong with that. I hope I'm wrong, but that's kind of what I've been thinking with them, is that as time goes... It seems like they've been getting less and less popular because they have more competition. More people go with stuff with better charts and stuff like Thinkorswim or Fidelity or Schwab or whatever there is. Webull even has better charts. CLOV. Up 5% here. Nice. Clover Health. Why are they so cheap now? They died off hard, man. Wow. Didn't even realize Clover was that low. Let's go look at the watch list. So what do we have at the top? Clover. That's funny. I like that. Got Clover there. Let's see United Airlines today. Looking pretty good on the daily chart. Not bad. How's Boeing looking? Nice. They're getting a nice green day today. I hope that keeps up. All right, Boeing. Keep that up today. We'll be happy. I can't wait to go back and watch the stream myself later and see what this mic sounds like. Very curious. All right, Boeing. Like that move here. I like that break above that trend line today. I think that'll signify us finally a good break here. Yesterday, it all happened in pre-market, so today, that is a pretty nice break. Look at that, 211.75 now. Still looking okay. I don't hop into many swings or many trades like this anymore, but, you know, whenever I see them, I'll take them. There we go. Boeing, 212.17. Look at that pop they just had. Jesus Christ. 212.22. I know sometimes it sucks, guys, but man, I'll tell you what, starting long-term portfolios has been the best thing I've ever done. Especially like lately, they're starting to really pay off. They paid off during COVID. Now they're paying off again. Although I will say, though, 2022 was a little bit rough. That was a bad year for the long-term portfolio. We'll just say that. The stock market was pretty much down all year in 2022 until that. Literally, then when 2023 started, it was like hell froze over and everything was fine. What's CAH Xbox? I haven't heard of that one either. Cardinal Health? Oh, wow, it is Cardinal Health. Cool. Okay. I had heard of it. 9311. Not bad. Let's see this one on the daily. These healthcare stocks have been rough. Really rough. Yeah, Eric, I really liked that play as well last night. Wow, Cardinal Health on the daily, though. What the? They just made all-time highs or something like that. At least highs of the past couple of years. Sheesh. That's huge. CAH. Yeah, I really do like USB as well, Eric. I think that'll be a good play. My only issue with it is that in the short term, it's actually kind of crazy. Like on the daily chart, it's up quite a bit from recent lows, but that's not going to stop something like this from going, though. You know, there's a lot of room back. And if you've been trading it for any amount of time, we all know the market goes parabolic in both ways once it starts really going. So I do like the banks, and I like USB because it has this like big area to fill here on the chart between like 39/40 all the way up to like 43 or 45, which I really like that area here. I think it's almost like a gap up. I feel like they could almost fill that gap in a way. I know it's not a real gap, but I feel like they could fill the gap. Hang on one second. Someone's messaging me. All right. Sorry about that. Somebody was asking me if they liked NVIDIA calls for next week. They have calls. They were wondering if they should roll over and buy next week's expiration. And I was like, I don't think so. I don't think so. Not this time. I said I wouldn't do it until it breaks 480. But if it does break 480, then I think that we could get in. But I don't think I would trade NVIDIA calls here until it breaks this recent high. That's for sure. Especially with those earnings last night. Like, sheesh. That's rough with the earnings. Really rough. Hell yeah, Xbox. Spartan, kick the like button. Let's get these numbers up, guys. 9 likes. Let's try to hit like 15 or 20 today. Let's go. If you're not liked yet, let's go. Like it up. Tangy Man says JFC 2022 was murder. Yeah, it was. It really was. I couldn't believe how bad it was, actually. Like, it was just like literally from the very first day of the year marked like the high. And then we were just down all year. All year. It was wild, actually. This year is almost even more wild, though, on the recoveries on some of these stocks. Like, Jesus, look at Meta. Did you guys hear the bad report with Meta Threads this morning? Oh, my gosh. I'm going to put out a poll here. Hang on, I'm making a poll for us. All right, guys. Here's a poll for Meta Threads. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let's go DraftKings. No way, Ali. Are we going back? Oh, thank God. Yeah, yesterday we were moving down. It made me sad. Glad we're coming back today. That's good. Good job, DraftKings. We need more, though. No lies. We need more, DraftKings. More out of you. A lot of people are talking about SQQQ calls right now, too. It's good that they're kind of dipping back down. Guys, maybe as the market starts to, like, run up here today at open, wow, I'll tell you, it's still looking fairly bullish on the SPY here. I mean, this is... Gosh, dang. It's hard to short this. Like, if you're telling me buying SQQQ calls right here, I'm kind of worried about it in the short term. I feel like that's the way to go, but at the same time, we're really coming back this morning, so... On QQQ, let's go ahead and watch 380. That's probably going to be a huge... Actually, I'll tell you what, that is a huge level. Right on 380 on QQQ. I don't know what that's looking like on the NASDAQ futures, but I bet you that's a pretty big level there, too. Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. But huge level, like 15,720. Something like that. Let's go, lurkers. I appreciate that, Mango. SPY, though. Just brutal. Going back to Boeing, probably pulling back, yeah. I do expect Boeing to pull back a little bit here today because, you know, it's up quite a bit now since open, so I would expect it to maybe consolidate a little, then hopefully go up later in the day. That'd be beautiful for us. That could happen. All right, let's check out Netflix and Tessie again. It's been a minute. Uh-oh. Not what you want. Netflix is not recovering back, guys. Not coming back. Pretty brutal. Ooh, Tesla. Bad move, too. Down under 276. Dang. Tandy says SLV might be doing something here. Let's see. SLV or silver? I agree. You know, I like that play, Tangy. I might be buying some SLV calls. Something like that. Maybe SLV, maybe GLD. Something along those lines. GLD, yeah, I think that could be a good play here over the next few weeks. I'm still kind of eyeing up CCJ and those uranium stocks too, Tangy. I know CCJ is pretty high right now, but I'm hoping it can. I hope it gets some continuations coming in. Great movement, though. Fantastic. Oh, unlike the buttons. What the fuck even is that? I like that. I really like that scene, Full Metal Jacket. Yeah, what is that? Here, we'll try one out here. Don't kill me, though. It might be real loud.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh, God. Don't worry. I knew it was loud. I saved you guys. I turned it down real quick. I saved you. Sometimes those are really bad, Xbox. It just depends on which one you click. It does. It really depends. You guys like that movie, though? Full Metal Jacket? Let me know. Also, don't forget to vote in the poll. Do you use Facebook or Meta Threads? I'm curious. Do you like it? Do you use it? What's this? Everybody's voting that they like it but don't use it. Are you kidding me? How could you like it but not use it? I mean, that's wild. How could you like it but not use it? Wake up, Sniper Bot, Juicy says. I know, right? That thing's been in hibernation lately. What's going on? What's going on with that? 453.70 support looking good. I'm still waiting for SPY to break under this level. I'm still keeping this 453.70 level on watch. I'm gonna make a little alert here. Right, 453.70 as well. Where's my alert? There it is. Oh, it's saying to do it on an array. Never mind. Hang on. There we go. Alert name. Alert name. SPY is dying. I like that. SPY's dying. Perfect. That's what we want. Yeah, what's up with this? Everybody likes this, but they don't use it. That's kind of funny. That's wild, right? It's actually just a Twitter copycat. I used to use it. I got rid of it, though. I actually just deleted it this morning, right off the page. Yep, done with it. No more threads for me. I'm not a fan. I'm not gonna lie. Not a fan. It's literally the same thing as Facebook. You just post what you think, you post pictures, etc. There they are. I mean, then people comment on them, they like them, they share them. I mean, it's the same thing. I don't really get it. I think what they're doing is kind of dumb. I think that actually what they're doing is Zuckerberg might actually be being a little bit weird, maybe on Threads. I don't know what you guys think about that. Maybe he's being a little bit weird, as in, like, he wants to be like Elon and, you know, have like more of like a platform like that. But at the same time, though, Threads sucks because it's like Twitter, except if you say the wrong word, you're banned instantly. So it's like, I don't know. To me, it's whack. You know, there's stupid fact checking on everything, and it got annoying. Like, I already saw people getting banned and stuff. It's like, it's not like they're getting banned for that bad of stuff either. You know, it's like, I get it if you like say something real bad, right, and you're getting banned. I understand, but a lot of times it's just like they'll say you're sharing articles that are untrue or something. Like, well, half of them are opinionated, so it's, I don't know, you know. I really like Twitter for that sense, is that they've kept it where you can just speak your mind. You know, I love that. I love it. For both sides. Really, both sides. I don't care. Speak it. Speak whatever you want. That's how I feel. If it's bad, then people should ridicule it, right? If it's bad, then it'll get ridiculed. I don't know. Let's go look at LVS. I know they had earnings yesterday. Damn it. They actually fell off a little bit. I was hoping they would hold up a little bit higher. Let's go look at Johnson & Johnson, J&J today too. Wow, they're coming back hard, J&J. I'll take that. Let's see, are they down on the daily? Nice. Nice. J&J's really coming back hard. That's a big recovery today with Johnson & Johnson. Wow. Yeah, maybe he is trying to just get in his head, Sean. That would make some sense. Banks are the mono right now. Uh-oh. Bank of America, baby. I love that. Yeah, good job, Banks. They did good yesterday on earnings, and today they're just continuing to go. I like these banks with their earnings lately. It's been great to see them doing good. Really good. Is CVX about to turn, Tangy said. Turn to the downside or the upside? I hope the upside, actually. I've been seeing a lot of people suggesting the past couple days, there's been more articles coming out of people suggesting that inflation might start to tick up a little bit. And I've actually been saying that on the stream for a little while now. If anyone's remembered that over the past few weeks or not, I've actually been saying I think that inflation will go up a little bit more because they paused the rate hikes, right? What were the rate hikes doing? It was causing inflation to drop, right? They paused. Once that pausing, I think, catches up to the market, and I'm not saying just the rate hikes, you know, but I think inflation will start to even out or uptick a little bit, and then we'll start to go down more once they add in these other rate hikes again. Hell, just next week, there's another FOMC meeting. It's already just a few days away, believe it or not. Back up, he said. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Back up. I'm kind of with you. I think it can go up for sure. And I'm thinking that as the inflation ticks up here for a month or two, couple months, I think that it will. I think that I think crude oil is going to move up, number one. That's what's really going to push CVX up, in my opinion, is that crude oil will start to run, especially with OPEC doing cuts and all this crap with Russia again and all that. Yeah, I think that'll really, really help it move back to the upside. So that'll be good, hopefully. He said the dark side. He is. He's going to get him so messed up in the head, Sean. It's busting out of Tick's rectangle. Let's see. Is that like a 1 minute? Is that like a rectangle on like a 1 minute chart or something? Or I don't see Tick's chart on it. When you said that, I thought I was going to see it in there today, but oh, is it just this like little range down here? That would make sense, right? Pretty good resistance here at like 102.50. Good to see us back above there. That's a positive. Wow, I'm surprised that we have 14 votes in here and not one person said that they like and use Threads. That is wild to me. This shows exactly why they're doing terrible right now. Let's actually look at the Threads stuff. Meta Threads loses half. It should be like half their users are gone. Yeah, here we go. Meta Twitter rival Threads loses half its daily users in just 10 days. 10 days, guys. Just 10. Let's actually go to Twitter. I'll tell you what, guys. Add me up on Twitter. I'll be happy with that. Tom Moore. Tom_stocked up. Check us out on Twitter. I'll be on there. I'll start sharing some stuff more on there. I only have 22 followers, boy. Thanks a lot, Twitter. That's funny. Let's see what Elon's been doing on here lately, huh? Hopefully something good. Make Orwell fiction again. Always posting SpaceX stuff. Love that. Beautiful SpaceX. Instagram versus Twitter. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Nice. Oh, here's one of the cool things I saw. Elon was at the gym doing some squats. Look at that. Getting some squatting in. He's trying to get his body weight under 225 pounds. That's wild. Good old Elon. One of the best characters out there, right? I think the cool thing about Elon is that his flaws are what make him great. Tesla's still dropping, they're saying. Zom's looking good today intraday, I'll tell you that. Wow, Tessie's down 6.5% now. Oh my gosh, it's way worse than I thought it opened. Dang, I didn't expect this though. Uh-oh. Let's go check in on Boeing. There we go. Boeing? There we go. Keep it up, Boeing. I like that. Good job, Boeing. Keep on pushing, baby. Got that good breakout today out of that trend. Gotta love it. Let's go. Keep pushing. I'd bet you Boeing slows down, though, sometime soon. Like, I do not expect this thing to continue up that much today, but wow, I'll take that break of that trend, guys. That's pretty good. You know, it's been on that trend for like 2 weeks now straight, so I thought yesterday morning we were going to break it, but it didn't happen. I got stopped out today. Different story, though. Different story. Like it. Good stuff, Boeing. Making up for it. NNDM. Nano Dimensions. He goes, Elon's fatter than me. Yeah, keep in mind, though, Elon's kind of tall. I think he's like 6'4", Tangy. How tall are you? I know that comes into play. I'm 5'11", so I'm not very tall myself. Sorry, by the way, I was adjusting my chair for a second. It just goes to show who would win in a fight. I still wonder who would win between Elon and Zuckerberg. If I really wish that this would happen. Honestly, I don't think that Elon's worried about it. I don't think Elon's even scared at all about the fight. What do you guys think? I don't think Elon would be worried about losing even. I don't think he'd even care. But I think that Zuckerberg, if he loses to Elon, that's going to be like, dude, that's going to be embarrassing. I mean, that would be pretty embarrassing, right? I don't know. To me, it would be embarrassing if I'd rather lose to Zuckerberg than Elon, for sure. I'm getting down with this background music right now, man. Hell yeah. It's not bad right now. Kind of like this beat. Eric says Metal dropped 5% after the loss to him. Probably will, to be honest. I bet you it'd be under 300 instantly. Maybe not, though. Maybe not. I don't know. That would be funny if it did. Wow, look at Nvidia now. Yeah, that's not good. Terrible stuff there. Tesla. Nvidia's dumping. It was funny. Somebody at 9 a.m. was saying Nvidia calls because it was like up real high. Wow, Nvidia breaking a new low of day now, too. Look at that. Another big red candle off to the downside. The only problem with this mic is that you guys can hear now when I'm popping my knuckles, which sucks. Because I pop them a lot. Like a lot. I can't wait to hear what this mic sounds like. I gotta hear it. GPC, who is that? Never heard of this one. Genuine Parts. I've never heard of them. All right, guys, give me 1 second. Going to go to the SPY. I'm going to run to my fridge real quick and grab a... Wow, I'll tell you what, this SPY is looking rough up here at the top. I'm going to run to the fridge really quick and grab a fast drink here with a Monster, baby. I love my Monsters. Let me line this up, though. Let me line it up. There we go, SPY. There we go. Lining that stuff up. Let's see this hourly. Let's see this to the downside, this downwards channel here. Oh, yeah, guys. This is... I mean, we're bouncing, like, right off of trends. Yeah, guys, that's... Oh, no. All I have to say is, oh, no. If it falls out of here, I'm going to be worried as hell. I think we'll be down to 400 again if we fall out of there. Yeah, I think we'll be down to like 410, 400, something like that if we fall out. Definitely no good. What's up, Xbox? He says he's been hearing it every time you've done over all the live streams. Hearing what, man? I'm confused. He says 2 Japanese banks he bought a few months ago, MUFG and MFG, up 14 and 15%. Nice. Japanese banks. That's such a weird thing to get into, Tangy. Japanese banks. I can't even like begin to tell you anything about a Japanese bank, like anything about them, other than it's probably good because Japan's a pretty conservative country. So I would assume that their banking's pretty decent, but wow, someone asked me for an AMD support. I have too many. Oh, my knuckle cracking. I see. You've been hearing it all the time. Okay. I see now. Sometimes I jump around so much I can't remember what the hell something I talked about was. That's funny, though. Solid dividends on him, Tangy said. 20-year game, wow. I don't know if I could hold a bank like that for 20 years, but... Man, they're looking for AMD supports. So 112 and then 110 are pretty big. Hey, Xbox, you still at work today? When do you leave here in about 15 minutes, right? Oh, you're joking. I thought you literally could hear him the whole time. That's funny. It's all good, though, man. It's all... I feel slow now. Feel a little slow. Pull up my YouTube real quick. Oh yeah, I gotta go get my Monster. I forgot about that. Let me go grab it real quick. Be right back. All right, guys, we are back in Xbox. I'll actually be streaming as long as possible today, man. I mean, as long as the, viewers stay up, right? All right, guys, we are back in Xbox. Sorry about that. I had my phone on. But yeah, if we end up, losing a whole bunch of viewers or something like that, and we're down to like 10 or 12 guys, we'll probably hop off. But, for right now, we'll keep it running, man. Yeah, we'll keep it going as long as we can, Xbox. Let's keep it going. It's a good day for it, too. A lot of good movement today, like NVIDIA right here, man. That is awesome. Keep it up. SPY better be sinking. We're about to break under my Yeah, we're about to be breaking under. Oh, yeah. Down under support here. And that's going to be a good play down, IMO. In my opinion. A little worried about holding Boeing with this happening, but I don't know. Boeing doesn't necessarily move with SPY. The SQQQ is getting tempting now, I'm not going to lie. Yeah. SQQQ is getting tempting now, guys. Yeah, guys, watch yourselves on SQQQ here. I think, yeah, I think we're about to be in for a surprise, to say the least. SQQQ. Gonna have to buy something on this one, I think. Gotta have some protection, right? Gotta have some protection. Nothing crazy, just a little protection. I do believe the SPY is in a pretty brutal spot here, so let's see what happens with it. It's all good, Xbox. All good. You'll be driving, right? It's all fine with me. You don't need to hold for 20 years. I'm saying, oh, he's saying the people running the banks play a 20-year game. I see. They have a mountain of free cash. Oh, okay. That's good, though. So you're saying, so essentially like what you're telling me, Tangy, is like they're prepared for like if something bad happens, right? That's essentially like what you're telling me. Because that would make sense. My monster today is Mango Loco. Looking good. Mango Loco. Loving it. Sean says he'll stick with C. I'm kind of... No cap, Sean. I'm kind of with you. I'm sticking with C, but it's interesting, though. All right, DraftKings, are you still going today? Wow, look at that, DraftKings. Keep it up. Come on. If they stay high while the SPY dies, ooh, I'm going to have a good day. David says it's the best one. Dude, everyone says that. I had to get it. I've never tried it till just now. I tried the Aussie. There's one called Aussie something. I think it's Aussie Lemonade. That one, I didn't like it too much. This one's really good. He says it sucks because he might want to say something relevant. Yeah, I feel you, Xbox. I feel you. Yeah, be safe. You know, don't crash your car. I'll be honest, guys. I'm pretty bad with I'm a notorious text and driver. Like a lot of times, you know, it's not even texting. It's just me like in Discord, you know, and stuff. You know, like, hey, if somebody's asking me about a stock, I'll be honest, guys. Like, I hate to say this, but like, I'm risking a crash to like help people not lose money. You know, like realistically, I will risk that all day long because I don't, you know, it's not a big deal to like go on Thinkorswim or something real quick and look and then come back and say something. But yeah, be safe out there. Don't do what I do. Don't do what I do. I have an obligation to do it, so. QQQ moving down under 381.30. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. SQQQ is going to be exploding. Yes, sir. 1727. Let's go, SQQQ. Let's go. He said the newest drink I tried recently was the strangest. It's Faygo cotton candy. What is Faygo? Chris goes, he loves honking his horn at texting drivers. I feel you there, Chris. Don't let your agent hear that. Yeah. My progressive agent. I think my agent's a bot. I think I have Flo as my agent, Sean. The Flo bot. Let's go see that SPY again. Come on, are we selling? Or what are we doing here? Yeah, some of these stocks are really looking brutal here. Come on, SPY. We gonna fall for real, or are you just joking around with us here? I bet you it's gonna sit here and consolidate for a couple minutes, but then have a big sell-off. Probably what's gonna happen. Fago is what the ICP drinks. Dude, you're gonna laugh. I actually know who they are, which is funny. The ICP. Yeah, and hey guys, by the way, don't worry. Like, I'm not out here like, you know, like texting and driving with, you know, in a big dangerous spot. Like, you know, I usually, where I live is like, there's not a ton of cars around all over the place, right? So like a lot of times I'll be like alone on like the highway or something like that, you know. It's not like I'm doing this while like having like tons of cars next to me or, you know, anything like that. My CVS X dividend. Yeah, Tangy man, the ICP, they have some funny songs, I'll tell you that. Some funny songs. One of my favorites is the Nedden Games, I think it is. The Nedden Games? Oh my god. That song is hilarious. It's a song about like some girls like interviewing for boyfriends. And she's like, if you had to come meet my parents for dinner, what would you do? And the first thing the guy says is he's like, I'd show up and tell your mama she's got a fat, you know, something like that, or just totally stupid stuff. I think they honestly are just funny songs. I don't even know if they're meant to be real, but they seem like some jokesters. My ex-dividend is today. Could I sell CVS tomorrow and still get the dividend? Yeah, if you keep that today, SOL, and you sell it tomorrow, you'll get that dividend still, yep. The problem with that is that usually, though, the companies, sometimes they'll trade lower into the ex-dividend date, and then they'll actually start to go up. But it looks like on this scenario, they've actually traded up into the dividend date, which is good. So that's good. But sometimes companies fall, Saul, on like dividends like that because imagine, you know, the company's paying out the dividend, right? So they're losing money essentially right there. So sometimes there's some selling ahead of it, but not all the time, you know, it just depends. It just depends. 9 out of 10 juggalos can't even juggle. What? Is that some ICP stuff? Let's go look at the Monster Juice Mango. Yeah, this is the one we're drinking today, baby. Mango Loco. Oh, yeah. Looking good. Wow, look, Barbie has their own section at Walmart. Hell, I am having a little girl after all, right? Maybe I should get some. I'm gonna get her some nail polish. Hell yeah. Opie. Opie nail liquor. Lacquer. Monster Juice, though, looking good. Where's the Aussie one? I want to show you guys the Aussie one. Yeah. The can looks so cool. I was like, oh, I'm buying it because of the can. There it is. Aussie lemonade. That one sucks, though. I wasn't a fan. All right. Boeing's dipping back as usual. You know, I would expect that on a big move like that. Spy's coming back a little bit, too. Sean says Palantir's looking rough. Oh, hardcore ICP fans are known as the Juggalos. Hey, Artemis, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been waiting to use it. I was setting it up all last night. I'm glad it sounds a lot better. Let's go, Sean said. 15% on SPY puts and counting. Palantir looks rough. Hey, Sean, did you get your golf league in today? My gosh, guys, those SPY puts, it's dying under support now. Dying under support. Let's go. Dude, these beats on this free music stuff today are pretty good. I can't lie. Some of these beats are hitting hard. It's pretty good today. A lot better than normal. Turn it back down, though, a little bit. Ooh, Sean played yesterday. 3rd straight loss in the league. Yes, sir. Be ready for next week, Sean. We have Big Daddy during your league, so you might have to take league off next week. 3rd loss in a row. Come on, Sean. The last time I played, Sean, actually, I'll tell you what, I've been actually having some of the best rounds I've ever been having lately. Some of the best. And I've been hooking my irons a little bit. Let me tell you some of my scores. You'll be surprised. Or you can look me up on the Gin app. I think we're friends on there or something, aren't we? I have you on there. Your handicap index is 3.6. Jesus. Jesus, Sean. You shot a 78? How the hell did you shoot a 90 the other day, Sean? What? Sean, how did you shoot a 90? No wonder you lost. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You're shooting scores worse than me. Let's see. My recent scores. I shot an 88 and an 87 on the same day, July 3rd. An 88 and an 87. That was also my girlfriend's birthday. She had some fun. Especially for dinner and stuff. Yeah, my handicap is now down to a 14.4. I would love to get down to like, man, 10 to 12 would be awesome for me. That's a good goal. All right, Spy. All right, this is where Spy's probably going to start to come back up a little bit, guys. So watch this. I'm kind of drawing it out here a little bit. I think they'll come up and like retest that 450, 370 area and come back down. I feel like at some point today, we're going to get a test of this. So just keep that in mind. If you're not into puts now, you might want to like wait for a little bit of a recovery and then get in on like a hit on something up here. Okay. That might be something that would be a better way to go with this today right now. So that's it for the bull rally. Tesla and Netflix set the tone for Q3. Tangy, I hate to say it, but it kind of seems like it. It really does seem like it in some ways. I like this guy's name, Mr. Three Putts. No way. Dude, that's so funny. My friend, his handicap is like 8. And man, he 3 putts like 3 times around, man. Like 3 times around. It's... oh my God, it makes me sad. Sometimes I feel like he could almost be shooting even par. Like sometimes he'll shoot like 76, 77 with like a couple 3 putts. And I'm like, dude, how is it that hard to putt? Like, I can putt, but I can't do anything else good, which sucks. I'm like a guaranteed 2-putt, which is cool. I'll tell you guys what, that new that Monster Mango Loco thing is insane. That's really good. Nice stuff. Rocky bought the SQQQ calls right when I did. He's up 40%. Nice stuff, Rocky. Beautiful there. I'm not up as much because I bought it for September, but bought it for September. September. I like it. You know what sucks, though, is that Boeing is back to break even now. It's going to be tough for Boeing to continue like this. It had the good break today. It's going to be hard with all these airlines selling off, though. That trend line's looking good, though. It's like, you got to trust it, right? Trust the process. I'm not just going to hop out now because of that. I like Boeing because it doesn't care. It was going down while the SPY was rising, too, so that's good. It'll do its own thing. Nice. J&J's been really good, guys. Good stuff, Carlo. Like to hear that. He goes, that sounds like me now. I like that 3 putts. A 0.5 handicap, though. That is insane, though, man. What a good handicap. Oh, he shot a 47 in April. I see now, Sean. All the defense contractors are green. So Lockheed's doing good. NOC. Northrop, they are doing pretty good. What about GD, General Dynamics? Nice, nice. Maybe Boeing does count as that. Boeing does so much shit. They build military equipment. They build civilian aircraft. Commercial aircraft. It's crazy. So much stuff. Bombs. They build bombs, for anybody who didn't know. I bet that surprises some people, right? So get this. In St. Louis, there's actually a pretty big Boeing factory. And my stepdad actually worked at that factory. And he was a bomb maker. And he also was drilling a bunch of holes and welding on the, like, F-16s, I think they were. I think that they were building, like, F-16s for, like, Saudi Arabia or something. I made a joke one time. I told him, I said, you should, like, make one of those welds a little bit weak on purpose. But they'd probably figure it out and fire him, though, you know. Had me laughing. I was like, yeah, it's for who? Yeah, you might want to loosen up some of those welds. Make those beads bad. Do some bad beading on those. Wow, 33 rounds in June alone. Was great being young with no responsibilities. Tell me about it, Sean. I'd be playing so much if, you know, I had more time, right? Gotta get that time. Sorry, guys. Was just in the mic for a second. Just switching it around in positions a little bit. Good old General Dynamics. What a day, though. Not bad. All right, Boeing, you gonna help me out today, or you gonna sink back for us? SQQQ's doing good, though. We'll give it that. SQQQ's fire. Appreciate you guys joining up today. We're up to 22 likes today. Wow. Appreciate you guys. That's That might be a record for the month. Let's go. 22 likes. Love that, guys. All right, Xbox, sounds good. Have a good drive. I'll see you soon. You could always use that voice to talk thing. Or voice to text or whatever. If you really have to. But be safe out there. Hell yeah, Sean. 30% on the SPY puts and counting, baby. SQQQ is looking fire here. Fire. Yeah, it was pretty big. I even posted up in the day trading channel. I was like, I could see the market taking a pretty big hit today. Like, normally I won't say that, you know. If I normally won't say I don't think it would take a big hit. I would think maybe we could, like, you know, have a nice move under support or something like that. But that's pretty big, though. Nice hit. Crap. This guy asked me for support on QQQ. I feel bad. I wasn't able to answer him in time in Discord. Oh, wow. 380. Wow. Let me see on an hourly chart real quick. Help this guy out a little bit. Wow, the next major support I'm seeing is down around like 373. Yeah, and that is QQQ's levels, guys. Keep that in mind, too. Looking good, though. To the downside, baby. Plummet, plummet, plummet. Powerball's at 1 million. Am I going to have to go buy one? When does it expire? Tonight? I might have to go get one, man. Oh, it's on Saturday. Shit. Yo, did somebody win it? Somebody won. No. It's not at 1 billion, Ali. Somebody won it. No. How come people in California always win? Is this shit rigged? That's so weird. 7 people from California won? That's... What? That's weird. Hey, someone from Missouri. What? Yeah, Ali, somebody won. That sucks. Oh. 7, 10, 11, 13, 24, and 24. What? That's a weird... Those are weird numbers. How come 24 is so common? Stupid. Stupid Powerball. That is pretty wild, though, isn't it? $1 billion it was? Wow. Man, Boeing, come on. Need you to get up there better for us. Glad it's recovering for us here, though. That's a good sign. Especially with the market sucking like it is. Sucking real bad. Nvidia, I like it. Good movement, buddy. Great movement, actually. Yeah, Nvidia. Ali says, oh no. Yeah, that sucks. Somebody won it now. I should have went and got one last night. Just for fun. Hey, do you guys live in areas where they have like slot machines inside the gas stations? In the area that I live in, there's slot machines in just about every single gas station. Like, no lie, almost every single one has it in there. And it's really funny sometimes because, like, you'll walk in and you'll just see, like, I hate to say it, but it looks like a bunch of, like, crackheads and stuff, like, at it. I live in a pretty bad area for, like, drugs. It was actually, like, the worst county for meth in the United States at one time. So, that sucks. But, yeah, at least per capita. And I think they all go to the gas station and play slots, to be honest. Every time I go there, they're all sitting there playing the slots. Sean said it's like that in South Dakota, and they call them casinos. It's not a casino with just slot machines, jokers. I know, right? It's so funny, man. Like, every single gas station, like, I'm not kidding you whenever I say it. Like, every single one now around me has it. And, like, 5 years ago, they didn't have any of them in there. There were no slot machines, no anything. Now, every single one has, like, 3 or 5 slot machines. It's wild. It's wild. And they're never the cool ones like at the casino. You know, they're always like some bullshit ones. At least they look like bullshit ones. Casino room at the gas station. Yeah. Sean, get this. They don't even have rooms at most of the ones I'm by. They just have, like, they're just out and you can just walk up and play them. But I know what you're saying. I've seen the rooms in Illinois before. Hell, if they had blackjack at the gas station, I'd play. I'd be playing all day. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? You walk in the fucking gas station. Oh, how you doing, Bob? Oh, good, good. Time for a round of blackjack. Yep. Now that would be something else. Or like roulette at the... Throw a fucking roulette table in at the gas station, bro. I would die. I would die. You're right, Sean. Sean! Oh, let's do a joint venture, Sean. Let's do that together. We'll just make a little... We'll make a little gas station, except instead of having, like... It'll be mainly a casino with, like, 2 gas pumps. We'll do that. Hell, we could even turn it into, like, a club. We could have a club. That would actually be pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Spy, QQQ looking rough. Alright, let's see if that spy starts to come back up to retest that resistance I was talking about. 473, 453.70 I'm talking. Keep your eyes on it here. It might come up. Test that, then we'll get a bigger drop, hopefully. I'm definitely looking for a bigger drop than this. Like, this is not done, in my opinion. There's some more to this move. There's some more to this move. Just wait. Just wait for it. Gas station, car wash, laundromat, casino, and grill with camping spots. Yeah, you know, something with some camping spots might be good, Sean. You know, I hate to say it, but it always seems like the people playing them at the gas stations always look like they're homeless, too. It always, like, I feel kind of bad sometimes. Like, whenever you go to, like, a casino or something, like, generally, you know, like, I get it, right? There's a lot of fancy people at casinos. But the majority of people there seem like, you know, just like they have no business spending that money at the casino. It's always so funny. Sorry, guys. Had to adjust something for a second. All right, keep your eyes on the SPY here. We're actually, I think we're going to be doing what I said, retesting that resistance and then getting a bigger dip. So keep your eyes on it here. Let's see what happens. Now, if you're not into puts yet, this could be a decent entry here on this hit on 453.70. If you want to be really safe, you should probably like wait for it to hit and then, you know, wait for like a couple candles of confirmation, at least on a 1 minute chart. If you want to be really safe with it, but that would be getting pretty safe, you know, overly safe, I guess some people might say. But give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Man, I'll tell you what, it is dark outside at my house. It is looking terrible outside. There's some bad thunder going on. I'm sorry to have to do this to you guys, but give me like, yeah, I'm gonna get hit real bad here in a minute. Give me like 2 minutes, please. I gotta run outside and bring some crap in, or else it's gonna all blow away and get ruined. Please just give me like just 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere, guys. I'll leave it here on the SPY. We can watch that rejection happen. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Smash that like button though while I'm gone. Let's run it up. Yeah, don't go anywhere though. I'll be back. We're not ending the stream. Man, you guys won't believe this crap. Man. Oh, this sucks for me. I hope there ain't a spider on me. Man, I had to run to the backyard and try to get all these chair cushions and crap, you know, put away. Man, I run out there to do it, and dude, this sucks. There's like a tree, like walkway, like heading to my backyard, and I just go running through it because I'm in a hurry to get back, right? And I go running right through this, and there's a big ass spider web, man, like a big one, like going like, you know, across like 20 feet of opening. Like, God, it was probably one of those like orb weavers or some crap. Spare me, Mr. Orb Weaver, spare me. Hang on, I gotta check myself. This is scary. Gosh. Got it all over me. That's so annoying. Fucking spiders. Carlo's up 100% plus on J&J, and Spy actually just ripped right back through the level I was looking for rejection at, so keep your eyes on it. It could still reject there. J&J, what a move, though. Carlo, that is such a good move by Johnson & Johnson today. I mean, that's beautiful. Straight up beautiful there on that movement. SQQQ is kind of pulling back as expected. Can't go up all day, right? All right, Boeing. Yes, sir. Come on, Boeing. Keep it going. Keep it up. We're loving it out here.
All right, all right, all right.
My guy. Hey, guess what movie I watched this weekend, guys? I was watching Fast Times at Ridgemont High this weekend, so it was a pretty good one. I know a lot of you older guys out there enjoy it. Hey, Xbox, just got home. You missed my damn spider webs. I ran through. I told everyone I'd be right back. Where'd they all go? Boeing's breaking the high of day, guys. Watch out. Come on, keep it up, Boeing. Keep it going for us. Looking good. Real good. All right, come on now. Keep it up, Bowen. Let's see what kind of big news is hitting the market today. Let's see what earnings we have for tomorrow as well. It'll be Friday, of course. I love trading on Friday sometimes. American Express before open. Not bad. American Express. Xbox said he heard it. Phoebe Cates for the win. What is that, Mr. Three Putts? Phoebe Cates. Now I gotta look this up. You're gonna get me in trouble, aren't you? Oh, she's in the movie. Dude, yeah, okay. Yeah, she plays that girl's manager or like her coworker, right? Yeah. That's it. Oh. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know. I did not realize that that's what that was for a second. I forgot. I didn't know that's who that was in that scene. Whoever plays Brad in that movie is so funny too. What's that guy's name, man? That movie is so good, guys. I'm gonna make sure that my kids watch that movie. I should refrain to say that. I shouldn't say that. I'm gonna make sure that my if I ever have any sons, they're gonna be the ones watching that. The girl is not watching that. Okay. Unless she happens to see it herself, but I'm gonna refrain from watching that with my girl. We'll just say that. Oh, Spy, come on. I Spy, My Little Eyes, a rejection at 453.70. Come on. Get down there for us. We're going to have to bring... Oh, man. We're going to have to release the Bears today. Release them. I stole, like, Jim Cramer's bear noise or something. Hope that wasn't too loud. It doesn't look like it's much louder than my voice on the thing, but I never know. Bears have to attack us today. Sold out of IWM completely at 196. You did? You sold out of the Russell? The whole thing? Wow. Not bad. I mean, you're getting out right at resistance. If we fail to break here, it's going to be tough. So I don't blame you, Bravo. I don't blame you, especially if we do start to really have like a downtrend come in here. Wow, what's this thing Sean just posted in the Discord? Fed Now is what it's called. Let's actually see if we can, like, hear this really quick. Oh, no, I don't want to hear this. I thought they were going to talk about Fed Now. Never mind. Fed Now will be linking banks for instant transactions. Transactions occur between banks... bank accounts and enable funds to be transferred from sender's bank account to a receiver's bank account immediately. Interesting there. Over time, as more banks choose to use this new tool, the benefits to individuals and businesses will include enabling a person to immediately receive a paycheck or a company to instantly access funds when an invoice is paid. Interesting. Interesting here. IWM, though. I think that's a good sell, though, Bravo. I do. All right, Boeing holding up for us. Keep holding up. Wow, looking good though. I like this with Boeing. Great movement. Nice. He hates the ACH wait. Yeah, is there a big wait? I thought it went through pretty quick. I always use Zell, and Zell goes through like instantly, guys. Zell is awesome. If you guys don't use Zell, I recommend Zell. I can't remember what it is with the oh wow. Sorry guys, I'm dealing with deleting some goddamn bots. These ass clowns. Some guy in here has he's fake mic right now. All right, sorry about that, guys. Had to get him out. We had like a little raid of like fake mics join just now, so a little weird. Rocky says he needs to get an affiliate link for these recommendations. Like what, Rocky? What do you got? I can hit you up with some. Bunch of dumbs. Bravo said. I like that. That's what I'm saying, right? Bravo, that's the big problem right now. I feel like that retail traders have been pushing this market up for just so long. It's like, I feel like everybody's waiting for it to fall, but retail traders are like keeping the market so high. So high. Oh, yeah, you're right, Rocky. That would be cool. Like with Zell and stuff, yeah. Hang on 1 second, guys. Wow, this looks pretty good though. 213.40. I still like this with Boeing here today. Looking good. Joke for your Zell recommendation. I know. I do need to get something for Zell. Bravo says a good time to sell July and August and get ready for bad September, October. I think so. You know, that's what I'm kind of thinking here, Bravo, is that towards the end of this year, we'll start to see more of a downtrend. But what's weird is that there's a, you know, it's weird because like I think September and October are like historically some of the better months out there. Looks pretty good, though. SPY's coming back pretty hard, harder than I thought. We definitely didn't reject at that resistance I was looking at. Gengar says September, no way, always red. All right, let's go look at it. Best, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I forgot. Let's see, best months. Best months in the stock market. Let's see. Here you go. 53 years of analysis, I guess, right? Okay, so September. Okay. September's one of the bad ones. What was the best one, though? Was it November? Okay. That's what it was. In my mind, I was thinking it the other way around. Yes. It's September's the worst one. That's what I was thinking. July is usually pretty good. So November is the best one since 1970 anyways. So, okay. That makes more sense. Okay. August, September. Okay. SPY, though, looking good, up to 454. Man. Terrible. I want it to fall. Yeah, September's definitely the worst of the year. For sure. That's a big drop under QQQ here, though. Today overall has been pretty rough. Even though we're coming back a little bit here, I don't think that we're necessarily out of the water. Definitely not. I'm happy to see Boeing still looking good, though. That's a plus. AMD. Sean, did you take profits on SPY, or did you keep holding those? Hopefully you TP'd. I don't know. It had a pretty good move down. Pretty good. Man, I appreciate you guys joining up today. We got 28 likes. That's actually huge. 28 likes. I don't know if we've ever had that. Or 30. I mean, that'd be wild. Make my day.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Oh, I love Clint Eastwood, man. One of my favorites. I actually have him on the, a poster of him on the door right next to me. That's how much I like him. Sean says he took profits, 31%. Hell yeah. That's how you do it, baby. I was hoping you took it down there. Damn. Let's go look at Visa. Maybe some of these credit cards. Let's check in on the banks today. Gotta check on them. No, I don't, Xbox. I do not use a coffee grinder, but I'm not that bad with it, though. Or I I would use it, you know. I don't got a very fancy coffee machine or nothing. If I had a little fancier one, I'd probably do that. Or I just buy pre-grounded coffee. I buy pre-ground coffee from... Oh, I buy... What's it called? It's like Black Rifle Coffee Company, I think. Yep. But I don't really drink it that much, to be honest. I just stick with the Monster, man, or the Red Bull or something. Speaking of that, gotta drink that right now. Ant says it's the mic. It might be. I mean, the mic is... It feels way better. Sean says he grinds and French presses it every once in a while. You know, I've looked at a French press. That's been something I've looked at before. I do kind of like that. I'm a fan of French press. I like that. Wow, it says JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, BNY Mellon, and other major banks to use the Federal Reserve's FedNow instant payment system. That's kind of wild, guys. Instant payment system? Wow. That means that those banks have been talking with the feds in the background, because there's no way that it would just come out and then they're like, we're using it. You know, like they've been talking about that for a while. Fuck, FedNow. Jesus Christ. Hell, maybe I can use that to pay my taxes now. Every time I gotta pay, it's like $8,000 or more. It's annoying. Every year. Terrible. This year was not as bad as the last one, but that's only because I didn't know I could write so much shit off. Like this new mic, written off. The monitor that's new, the 4K one, written off. Everything's written off. Everything. Yeah, Bravo says with V, doesn't want to sell here. I'm with you. I wouldn't want to sell here either. It's not bad. Oh my God, guys. We got to 30 likes. Let's go. 30 likes. Wow. I don't know. We've been there in a long time. So I love that, guys. Let's go. Appreciate you guys.
All right, all right, all right.
Loving it out there today. Yeah, sometimes it is better, Bravo. And I think that with Visa, like, let's see how close it is to its highs, right? It's probably closer to, well, it is pretty close to highs. I'll give it that. It's pretty close to highs. It might not be a bad selling point, but then again, we do have earnings coming up soon, and the banks have done pretty good. So you would think credit card companies might do well. Hell yeah, though, guys. Appreciate you there with the 30. That's awesome. Go over to Boeing here. Sorry about that, guys. Looking at the Boeing, though, again. I love this stock today, man. The stock's so good today. It's almost too hot today. Like, what happened to them? What happened to them today? SQQQ, come on now. Get up there. We want to see that SPY fall back off, don't we? I do. I hope it falls back under this support. It looks like it's going to try to actually hold, though, for a second. Artemis goes, what are taxes? Be careful with that statement, Artemis. They might get you. I actually had an uncle guy. You guys are going to laugh at this shit. I had an uncle, and he literally... it was a step uncle, so... Technically, I guess not my uncle, but... He refused to pay income taxes while Obama was the president. He refused to pay. And I'm like, he worked at Boeing too. It's funny, a lot of them worked at Boeing. But yeah, like he like literally did not pay income tax for like 4 years or 5 years or something. I don't know how much trouble he probably ended up getting in, but I mean, damn, like that is, I mean, they're going to start like garnering your wages and, you know, bullshit like that eventually, right? I don't know. That's what I thought. AH using price action to buy back calls on the cheap. Panic sellers equals money in the bank, baby. Hell yeah. Money in the bank. Let's see how this SPY goes, though. It looks like it's actually starting to dip back down again. Come on. Get under this. Get under 453.60. That'd be nice. Looks like it wants to. Let's see. Meta. All right, looking good, though, on Meta. I mean, I like that move back up here, almost like 309. Nano Dimensions. 3.25. I kind of want Nano Dimensions to start moving, but they're not doing crap. Man, is it just me, or like, is the trading view charts taking a second to load? Seems like they're like taking a second. Let me know what you guys are thinking about that. Pretty weird. Tesla's 7% down. Are you kidding me? I know it was like 6% earlier, I think, but yeah, it was like 6. Yeah, no, Bravo. It's down more than 4. Yeah. Maybe it was like at 4% around open, but yeah, it got pretty low now. That is brutal looking. Did you guys see how... I think Hunter was pointing out like their free cash flow missed by like $1 billion, was it? I mean, that's pretty bad. Free cash flow doing that like that, that's rough. Tangy seeing lag on RH and Weeble. Okay. Yeah, it can't just be me then. Boeing, man, this thing's getting to the point of the day where I think it's going to start falling. Let's see. Wow, Boeing. Gotta love that, guys. That's huge there. Man, I'll tell you guys what, these bot plays today are looking fire. Straight fire on the hybrid bot today, man. Amazon 134 puts were called out. Amazon 134 puts. Freaking fire right there. Called out at 9:02. Literally like right here on this green candle at the bottom. We got a good continuation today, man. That was a fire play by the hybrid bot today. Literally called out like right here. Man. Talk about a good one. And it's down around lows again. Nice job, hybrid bot. Keep that up. Wow, Bravo said he read a tweet by something saying people still sitting on a lot of cash. Really? I mean, I wonder who, right? The market's been flying lately. I don't know who's... Whenever they say that people are sitting on cash, are they talking about like retail traders sitting on cash, Bravo, or just anybody? Whoa, there's going to be a Hunger Games prequel movie. Nice. November 17th, 2023. That actually sounds pretty good, Xbox. I hope that there's a prequel movie. I'd be really happy with that. If there is. Nice prequel movie. I'll tell you what. I like the Hunger Games. I'm a big fan. I like those movies. I think they're good. Have you guys seen that new movie with Jennifer Lawrence in it? New Jennifer Lawrence movie. Yeah, it's called... Well... No, it's not. It's not No Hard Feelings. What was it? This is dumb. I know that she just made a new movie with this young kid. It was weird. It looked funny to me. Where'd it go? You're kidding me. Am I having like a Come on. Is this the one where she's supposed to like make the kid? Okay, this is it. This is it. This is it.
Touch your wiener?
What?
Your dog. His parents hired...
Oh, I can't do that. They're going to kick me off of here. But yeah, but essentially they hire this girl to like try to like make this young kid like come out of like his shell, they say. Like, you know, he's like some nerdy kid and they hire her as like a like prostitute or something, right? And apparently like it gets, I don't know, the movie looks funny. It looks funny though. Nice. He said he watched Catching Fire, then part 1 of Mockingbird. I actually read all those books. That's how much I like the Hunger Games. I read all the books. Kathy Wood sitting on cash. I see. Well, Kathy better get her act together. She better get some stocks low, man, because... Ooh, ARKK. It's been coming back good recently, but it is brutal on the chart. Looks like Zoom. Once we get these growth stocks to come up, like all the ones that died, like Zoom, you know, like those, Once these start popping back up, we'll start to see ARKK explode again. If these stocks come back, right? If they come back. That's the question. These stocks aren't my favorite. Zoom has good numbers, though, so I like them, but I'm one of those people that it's just like the stock was like $600, guys. Now it's 70. I mean, I don't know. Like, maybe it was just too crazy at that time. Maybe this is more normal valuations for him. It's hard to say. Yeah, that's it, Xbox. That one looks really funny. The first one's the best. Yeah, I think so too. Or the first couple. I don't even remember them, Xbox, like what they're called, like in order, but I've seen them all and read them. Jim Cramer out of cash. That would be funny if he was out of cash. Palantir's looking so good, though, on the daily. DraftKings, I like it. Man, Xbox. I might have to buy an Xbox, how they're letting that new Call of Duty on there. I might have said that, like, yesterday or something, but you can actually go play, like, the old MW2 from 2009 on an Xbox right now. I really might buy an Xbox just for that. Like, if they did that on PlayStation, do you know how popular that would become? I think that Call of Duty game would be beating anything else. One from 2009. Tangy says, I've been scooping up DraftKings. Nice, Tangy. It's actually getting, like, pretty high above my average price at this point. I wish it would go back down so I can scoop up more low. I wouldn't mind, though, if it kept going, though. You know, like, if they want to rip up to, like, $60 or higher, I mean, you know, I'm not going to complain. So we'll just let it happen. If they start running down, I'd be sad. Oh. Crap. When is Aberdeen? I like that. Sorry, I got a text from, like, this golf thing. They're like, come play in our tournament at Aberdeen. And I'm like, damn it. Of course that's on my gender reveal party day. Of course. Xbox says The Hunger Games Catching Fire. The Hunger Games Catching Fire, The Hunger Games Mockingbird Part 1 and Part 2. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know that there was even that many. Or I thought there was maybe more. But movie-wise, I mean. Bravo bought at 16 on DraftKings. Wow, Bravo, that's pretty good. Good average price. My average price is still like $24.20, I think. I've still been waiting on Disney, too. I'm curious to see what they do down here. I feel like they're going to break below this support, so I'm not really going to be going in too hard yet. Still just like getting in just like, you know, however many shares every other week. Like 10, 20, 30, something like that. Gonna start selling some puts, though, as they get down a little bit lower. Like, for example, if they start falling down to like 80, oh, I'm going to start selling puts all day around like 70, 65, 75, something like that. Right now, though, I'm still a little bit wary with them. You know, they're scaring me lately with their politics stuff and gets me scared. Bravo says, you and Mike motivated me to hold DraftKings at 12 through 16, especially Mike. Especially Mike. Man, I'm the big DraftKings guy. I love DraftKings even more, probably, which is funny. But, yeah, That's awesome, though. I'm glad you held it. That's awesome. DraftKings is great. I mean, I like it for the long term. I really like it for the long term. This year, they're finally going to be profitable. Yeah, Mike is the Zoom guy. Yeah. I like how you said that, Gengar. The Zoom guy. I wouldn't say that, though. Not totally, right? I'm trying to think of what else Mike really loves. He loves Citigroup down here, too. Citigroup. Realistically, though, Mike is like, man, he's selling so many puts and shit down here at these lows. It's going to be a good next few years if this market recovers. Oh, I see, Tangy. He sold DraftKings. Oh. Bravo says he loves CRSR. You know, he likes CRSR, Bravo, but I don't think it's like his absolute favorite, you know? I'm not going to say Mike likes anything because I'll let him say it. I'll let him say it. I do know, though, that he likes Zoom down here. He thinks their numbers are good. They really do have great numbers down here at this price. Their numbers are pretty good. Like when you go look at revenue and everything like that, they've been holding up. It's not like they've been losing tons of customers or anything. So that's one thing I love about Zoom. They have been holding up on that front of things. The stock price has been pretty brutal, but if you just keep averaging in, your average price should be pretty damn low by now. Yes, now Bravo. Now that's a stock Mike likes. Meta. He loves Meta. That'll be a great one, Bravo. That's a great example there. Mike was buying up a ton of Meta down here at the low lows. Man, Meta's been kicking ass down here. He talks about this one all the time. Now, keep in mind, like, he understands it's getting pretty overextended now. So he's not saying to, like, buy it. But, man, like, he was really talking about it a lot down in this area. And selling puts on it and stuff like that. I'm really curious here how threads are going to go. I'm not a fan of threads. Let's see how many votes are in the poll now. 26 total votes. We're going to end it. I don't like it at all as winning the vote count here. Wins at 42% of you guys saying that. 38% say it's indifferent. 0% out of 26 votes, not one person voted and said that they like it and they use it. That is pretty wild to me. That is wild. So that right there shows you how whack it is. It's like Truth Social, man. You know, like you can't make these new things come out. Like it's brutal. You know, Truth Social, man. It's like, that's the perfect example. Not even Trump can bring people into a new one of those, right? I'm not trying to say that because of Trump or something, but, you know, it's like, not even like with some of these crazy followings these people have, they can't even get like, you know, Twitter comparable numbers, right? Now, I will say this, though. Facebook is one of the bigger apps out there, right? It's actually, I use it all the time. I use it a lot, so.
Swing, fly ball center. Myers on his horse, going back, track ball. It's gone!
Hey, Gorman with the home run. I was at this game. Oh, no, I wasn't. This was yesterday. Never mind. I was at the game the day before, though.
Swing, fly ball center.
That's cool. Pfizer warehouse full of COVID vaccines was just destroyed by a tornado in North Carolina. And they're saying on there that the warehouse was not full of that. Where's my, normally when I get on here, I see stock shit all the time. Where's my stock stuff at? All it's showing me is Escape from Tarkov. Costco isn't happy. They're showing the brands that Kirkland actually are. Let's see that. Kirkland. Interesting. How many of you guys shop here? Wow, so look at this, guys. Oh, well, it says on there Starbucks. Starbucks makes the Kirkland coffee. That's interesting. Sonova hearing aids? I don't know about hearing aids. Nice. So the Kirkland batteries. Nice. Apparently they're Duracell batteries, but they're Kirkland's. What about the golf balls? I'm curious. What are the golf balls? That's funny. Diamond Naturals is the food? Wow. No way. They're producing that vinegar for him? That's wild. Artemis says, what earnings are you looking forward to next week? I hope that they have the chart out. I'll get it open here in a second and check it. Warren Motor Oil. Now that sounds like crap. I would never use Warren Motor Oil. What the fuck? That's terrible, guys. Jelly Bellies? Now that makes sense. It literally says Jelly Belly on the damn thing. What are they talking about? That can't be a surprise, right? Niagara bottled water. That's who they use for the water. Okay. Jeanette cups. I don't know about that. Ocean Spray juice. It literally says Kirkland signature Ocean Spray, though. Like, I know it's Ocean Spray. Like, Chunk Light Tuna. Reynolds Wrap. Of course, right? Some of this stuff's weird. Chocolate. Hellman's mayonnaise is who they use. That's pretty good. I like myself some mayonnaise. I can't lie. Swanson broth. Good. I like Swanson. Give me a bowl of Swanson. I'll take it right now. All right. All right. No more. How many of these do they have? Jesus Christ. Back to the stocks. Let's go look at Costco stock. I haven't looked at them in a while. Bravo shops at Costco. That's cool. I haven't been to Costco in a long time. I actually just got a Sam's membership this year because it was only $10. That's why I got it. But Jim Cramer has said to avoid shorting stocks that are already heavily shorted. I guess that makes sense if they're like really low and they're heavily shorted, but wow. What a day for Costco, man. Not bad. Boeing's still up. How? How are they still up? I like it, though. Jim Cramer's the worst trader I've ever seen, IMO. He's a fraud. Costs more people to lose money short term. I agree, Bravo. He is pretty rough. All right, Artemis, let's get those earnings up for next week. Got my friends over here. Look at that. Look who else follows Earnings Whispers. Mike. What's this? Thanks for the site stress today, everyone. This guy must have been all worked up because his website wasn't working. All right, here we go. Wait, where is it? Are you yanking my chain? They don't have it out yet. They'll put it out tonight or tomorrow morning. Damn it. Maybe I just need to go back more. Let's see. What's that? Oh. Damn it. Yeah, they don't have it yet. I can always get it, though. Let's go to earningswhispers.com. All right. Go to calendar. Yes, sir. Week. Oh, they want me to pay? Month annual plan, 500. Oh. Just to read some earnings? I mean, I don't know. That's all it is just reading earnings. Show me the calendar. Let's see on Monday how many there are. Wow, Cleveland Cliffs on Monday. Let's go down the list here. It's in a bad spot. I can't see over there. CHX. CATY. I know some people talk about that one. Oh, FSBC. Okay. All right, let's go to Tuesday. Wait, what? I thought I was on Monday. Those liars. No, I am on Monday. Okay. All right, Tuesday. Okay, here we go. Tuesday, Verizon, General Motors, Triple M, General Electric, Spotify, Raytheon Technologies, RTX, even Next Era Energy, Alaska Air. Man, I can't see this. Dow Chemicals. My microphone stand is just barely in the way. BIIB, Biogen. Jesus Christ, how many of these stocks are going to be reporting on Tuesday next week? MSCI? What the? That's a lot, guys. That's quite a bit. All right, what about... Ooh, here we go on Wednesday. Or no, this is Tuesday and after hours. Never mind. That's Tuesday before open, all the ones I just named. Here we go. After hours. Microsoft, Google, Snapchat, PacWest, Teladoc. Wow. Waste Management even. Texas Instruments. You guys remember those calculators? What was it, the TI-87 or something? Damn. It's a lot, though. Google, Microsoft. What about Wednesday before open? AT&T, Boeing. There we go, baby. Boeing. Coca-Cola, Tilray. Shit, of course I buy Boeing right ahead of their earnings. Damn it. Shit. General Dynamics. Damn, that's going to be sucky for me. I'm going to have to sell it. Meta looking good. All right, Meta. We have them reporting Wednesday and after hours, so... Damn, next week's going to be crazy, guys. Crazier even than this week. I'm seeing a lot of stocks. Chipotle. What about Thursday morning? RCL, MasterCard, Southwest Airlines, McDonald's. Jesus. Northrop. And after hours Thursday, Enphase, Ford, Intel, Roku, FSLR, T-Mobile, X, BYD. I don't know what I'm going to do. Mondelez. Texas Roadhouse even. I mean, guys, this is wild. We have so many. Friday, before open, Zom, Procter & Gamble, Chevron, Charter Communications, Colgate. Talk about a dividend play down there. Colgate, guys. Wow. It's quite a bit. I don't know, Artemis. Do they even do anything else besides calculators? I'm confused. Yeah, I am a little confused there. Look at this shit Sean put in the Discord. Shout out to Sean Cornish on this one. This is badass. Hashtag Thirsty Thursday is trending. Are you kidding me? That's good. Threads with the peace sign. I like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'll never probably use Threads again unless Mike makes me. If he makes me, then I might have to. But we'll see how popular it really gets, right? Man, Boeing, this is just such a good day by you today. I don't even know what to say. All right, guys. Well, hey. I appreciate you guys joining up today. Pretty good live stream. Went out for a while here. Had a pretty good day. What am I hearing? Did I just hear something say like critic? That's so weird. The stuff talking is the background music, which is weird. But yeah, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Good day with the live stream. Appreciate you guys enjoying the mic too. You know, it is a new mic, so I like it. Appreciate you. Nice. Oh, okay. That makes sense, Tangi, right? Like they make transistors and circuits and stuff like that. That makes sense. That makes sense. They're probably pretty big with it, actually. Wow. But yeah, hey, I appreciate you guys today. I really do. Thank you, Tangi, Artemis, Gengar, Saul, Bravo, Xbox, Sean Cornish, of course, Jamie, David, Zav F, Ali, of course, Matt Danielson, Juicy Mango. Man, who else? Who am I forgetting here today? Somebody. Mr. Three Putts, thanks for joining up. Carlo, Tangi, man, appreciate you guys. Seriously, have a great rest of your day. Thank you all for joining up and being here. We had some pretty good movement at open. I mean, man, Boeing went well. The SPY put play worked out really well at open too. At least on that first initial drop was great. I think we could still get back under there with more momentum as the day goes, but we'll have to see. You know, these stocks are going crazy, but I really do appreciate you guys. Have a great day. If you guys have any awesome movements or any awesome wins, post them up in the Profits channel, guys. Like Artemis. Man, post them up in there. That'd be sick. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of the day. And I will talk to you guys later. By the way, you post up in the Profits channel, you might get Member of the Day on tonight's video and a nice shout out. So let's go. Have a good one, though, guys. Appreciate you. Walk away with some profits today. Stay disciplined. Keep those stops in place. Don't go crazy. Keep those accounts under control. Don't be betting too much of your account. Always remember that. Let's go. Have a good day.